Alright, so today I'm going to do an oil change on the primary, change the gasket, and do a clutch adjustment. On the clutch adjustment, on the Dyna, at least the Street Bob, it's a 1/2 inch and a 9/16. The 9/16 is used for the lock bolt or lock nut, and then the 1/2 inch is used for the adjustment screw. So you can back off the adjustment screw and release the tension on the clutch. You ever go in your toolbox and all your 1/2 inch boxing wrenches are missing? Yeah. Since I'm also doing the clutch adjustment at the same time, you want to back off your the lock screw and the clutch so that you get the free play. Like that, so now my clutch won't activate. So this screw is the crankcase drain screw. It also has a magnet on the bottom that you need to clean off, just like with the oil change. Alright, so once I've got back this nut out, I can screw this in so there's no free play. Alright, I'm going to back it off just a little bit, and then to get it lightly seated, that's all you do. Once it's lightly seated, you back it out 1/2 to 1 full turn. So I'm going to put it about here because I'm going to be traveling in some warmer climates, and then you just tighten this screw or this nut down according to the torque specifications. I almost forgot to put the drain plug back in. It's just about there. It's like 1/8 of an inch. So we'll tighten this a little. This cover is back on. There we go. Alright. I'm going to test this out, see if I messed it up. Had a little bit of trouble going into neutral earlier. I run it through some of the gears, lubricate everything. So I did an oil change, changed oil in the primary, changed the oil filter, adjusted the clutch. Not too bad. That feels a little bit more limber. Make sure everything gets lubed. So far, it's pretty good. Everything seems to be right where it's supposed to be, so that's good. That is it for this week, boys and girls. I'm MOTOBEAR. Remember to keep the rubber side down.